Welcome back, students। और आप लोग कैसे हैं? आज का हमारा जो सेशन है उसमें जो टॉपिक है वो है नोइंग आवर नंबर्स और इंट्रोडक्शन टू लार्ज sorry let me just erase that large numbers। Okay, so large numbers basically क्या होते हैं? Large numbers are like 10,000, 100,000, or we can also write it as 1 lakh. 1 lakh. This is 100,000 and this is 1 lakh. So आपको इसमें डिफरेंस पता होना ज़रूरी है क्योंकि in India we use lakh, and in not like outside of India, mainly in USA or UK, we use 100,000. So let me just show you once more. Let me just raise it first. Okay. Okay. So uh, in India we use lakhs, crores, etc. In UK, US, we use 100,000 or 1,000 million। सो इन इंडिया में मिलियन नहीं होता है, बिलियन भी नहीं होता है, और बाकी दूसरे देशों में ये होता है। तो हमने पहले सेशन में ऑलरेडी डिस्कस किया हुआ है कि मिलियन क्या होता है, बिलियन क्या होता है, लाख क्या होता है। ठीक है, तो अब मैं आपसे एक क्वेश्चन पूछता हूँ। क्रिएट a number using 791025। So use these numbers to create a new number. Okay, so you can pause the video and try to do this, or you can just watch it if you are having trouble. So let's see how can we make a new number using these numbers. So we have 7911025. We have 6 digits, a total of 6 digits. That means we are going to make either 100,000 or a lakh. We can either choose to create 7 lakhs, 9 lakhs, 1 lakhs, or we cannot start numbers on zero, so we have to skip that. Now we can make 2 lakhs or 5 lakhs. Let's suppose we are creating the number as 2 lakhs. Put a comma after because we are creating in lakhs. 2 lakh, let's say 91 over here and 57 over here. So what we can do, we can add a zero there. So we can use all these numbers one by one together, एक साथ यूज कर सकते हैं सारे नंबर्स को। Make sure you are not repeating, you only repeat the numbers आप नंबर्स को तभी रिपीट करें जब उसमें कहा गया हो क्वेश्चन में कि रिपीटेड repetitions are allowed, because if the repetitions are allowed there will be many more possibilities. Okay, so a number could be 2,22,222. This could also be the number if the repetitions are like allowed. Okay, so let me erase this now and see. So let's start reading from here. Hmm. suppose suppose we have four digits 7, 8, 3, 5. Using these digits we want to make different four digit numbers in such a way that no digit is repeated. This is really important. No digit is repeated. Thus 7,835 is allowed, but 7,775 is not allowed. Okay, so make as many four digit numbers as you can. Which is the greatest number you can get? Which is the smallest number? The greatest number is 8,753 and the smallest is 3,578. Now let me ask you a similar kind of question on this whiteboard. Okay, first let me erase all of it. Okay, so let me ask you. Okay, mm, what is the greatest number which can be made, which can be made using 5, 4, 7, 8, 9 and 6? Okay, these are the digits that you have. Create the greatest number that you can. Okay, greatest means the number has to be the greatest one, because we have to see. So हमें देखना होगा कि हम इससे सबसे बड़ा नंबर क्या बना सकते हैं. तो हम पहले देखते हैं कि इसमें कितने नंबर ऑफ डिजिट्स आएंगे, और मैं बता दूं कि इसमें नो रिपीटिशन इज अलाउड. नो रिपीटिशंस, कोई रिपीटिशन अलाउड नहीं है. सो क्योंकि ये जो नंबर आएगा वो लाख में आएगा, तो क्या 5 लाख हो गया, 4 लाख, 7 लाख, 8 लाख, 9 लाख या 6 लाख. तो हम देख के बता सकते हैं कि 9 लाख सबसे बड़ा होता है. तो हम स्टार्ट करेंगे 9 से. नाउ द सेकंड नंबर हैज़ टू बी 9 लाख कुछ हज़ार. ठीक है, कुछ हज़ार, तो वो क्या हज़ार हो गए. 9 इज प्रोडक्ट ऑफ 6, 7, 8, 4 or 5. We can get 7 over here. No, not 7. The next biggest number is 8, then 7, then 6, 5, 4. So we have to start with the largest number on the left, then the smaller number followed by the smaller number. So the biggest number that we can make with 5, 4, 7, 8, 9 and 6 is 9,87,654. तो ये आपने देखा. मैं आपको एक होमवर्क देता हूँ for like doing this yourself at your home after this session ends, not right now. Okay, so may create a number 1, 5, 6, 8, 9, 7, 7 I think that's it. One, two, three, four, five. Yes, that's correct. So you are supposed to create a number which is the smallest. Okay, smallest possible number. Okay, you have to understand smallest possible. जब हम बनाएंगे तो स्टार्ट करेंगे स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर ऑन द लेफ्ट. ओके, स्मॉलेस्ट लेफ्ट में स्मॉल नंबर होना चाहिए, राइट में बिग. तो इसमें सबसे स्मॉलेस्ट है 1, उसके बाद है 5, उसके बाद है 6, उसके बाद है 8, उसके बाद है 7, उसके बाद है 9. So you have to, and you have to be really careful that we have two sevens here. Two sevens means we have to write 7 two times. So we can use 7 twice in that number. Okay, so that's it. Let's see more about that topic. Okay, so we have these questions. Let's discuss about them. Try these. Use the given digits without repetition and make the greatest as small as 4-digit number. 2874. So 2874. Let's discuss about 2874. Let me just erase this first. Okay. Okay. So 2874. Biggest number obviously will start with 8, and then 7, then 4, then 2, 8742. The smallest number will obviously start with 2 because 2 is smallest here, followed by 4, then 7, then 8. So these are the smallest numbers. 2478. This is the smallest one. This is the largest one. Okay. So let me erase it. Okay. So now let's discuss about the part B. What do you think about the part B? I'm waiting for you. Please write the answer in the comment section. Okay, so let's see where we were. Okay, in the part C, they are saying that 0540754 is a 3-digit number. What do you think about that? Okay, so because a number cannot start with 0. Okay, let's see what does it mean if we start a number with a 0. So suppose we are writing 0253. 0,000 doesn't it, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि 253 है. 0,000 मतलब 1000 है ही नहीं. इसी तरह से 021, or we can just say 21. So you have to understand, when we start a number with a 0, that number will be called a 3-digit. Like if this number is starting from 0. Okay, so although we have four numbers here, 2, 5, 3, and 0, but still this will be called a three digit number. Okay, so but we can put 0 in between two numbers like 2053. This will be a four digit number. This is a legit four digit number. This is also a four digit number, but this is not a four digit number. Okay, this is not a four digit number because it starts with a 0. Let me ask you similar kind of questions regarding these two. Which of them are three digit numbers? Okay, let me write 2536, 2505, 0106, and 1006. So which of these numbers are three digit numbers? So we can clearly see the 0106 is actually a three digit number because it is it has zero thousands, meaning it has no thousand. So 0,000, this one is the only three digit number. 0106 can also be written as just 106. So these are the things that we have seen. Okay, okay, you can do this by yourself in the homework. Okay, let's talk about the third question. Make the greatest and the smallest four digit numbers using any four different digits with conditions as given. A. Digit 7 is always at the ones place. Okay, is it always at the ones place? So ones place means the rightmost place in a natural number. Okay, okay, so that is already done. Okay, 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 now they are saying something in note. Sorry. Okay, so the number cannot begin with the digit 0. So why do you, can you any of you answer this? Why a number cannot begin with the digit 0? Okay, I have I have just told you the reason, and I'm pretty sure that you must all have understood why a number cannot begin with the digit 0. Okay, so uh, B part. Let's see the B part. Digit 4 is always at the 10th place. Okay, so we have to create the largest number and the smallest. Okay, this one sounds interesting. Let's see. Okay, so so this is 4 at the 10th place. Let's make the greatest number and the smallest. Okay, greatest means we can use any number in all of these boxes. So we cannot use a 0 here. We can use 9. We can use 9 here as well. We can use 9 here as well because repetitions are allowed. Okay, but if not allowed, we can write 8 here and 7. And the smallest number, obviously we have to start with the 1 because 1 is the smallest number and we cannot put a 0 there. because 0 although is smaller than 1, but we cannot put it there because we cannot start the number with a 0. Okay, so 1, and this one is going to be a 2 and 3. So these are the smallest and the greatest numbers that we can make using this as a, like, when we have 4 in the 10th column. Okay, now let me erase it so that we can discuss about the next example. Okay, digit 9 is always at the hundreds column. Okay, now I think you can try it on your own. Okay, please try on your own. Now let's talk about the part 4 of the question. Take two digits, say 2 and 3, make 4 digit numbers choosing both the digits equal number of time. Okay, which is the greatest number, which is the smallest number, how many different numbers can you make in all? Okay, so take two digits, 2 and 3, make a 4 digit numbers using both the digits equal number of times. Okay, so we can either make like we can either choose to use 2 and 3 twice or once, because we have a total of 4 numbers digits. So 2 used twice will be 22, or we can like arrange it in any order. Okay, 2 2 and 3 3, or we can have 2 and 3 and some other numbers. Okay, so आप इसको अपने घर पे अपने आप कोशिश करें after the session. Okay, the second question is stand in proper order. Who is the tallest and who is the shortest? Okay, the question says, can you arrange them in increasing order of their heights? Can you arrange them in decreasing order of their heights? Okay, so this is really interesting question. आप क्या समझते हैं कौन सबसे हाइट में ज़्यादा है और सो कौन सबसे कम है इन बच्चों में, इन स्टूडेंट्स में, इन किड्स में? सो प्लीज़ अपना आंसर कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताएं. ओके, okay, so which to buy? Sohan and Rita went to buy an Almira. There were many Almiras available with their price tags. So एक है 2635 रुपये की, एक है 1897 रुपये, एक है 2854 रुपये की, 1788 और 3975. हमको देखना है कौन सबसे ज़्यादा है, कौन सबसे कम सस्ती है. ओके, so I think you all can do it. Please do it. Okay, you can pause the video, do it, or you can do it late. Okay, okay, let's say. Okay, okay, let's see, because I think you already know this, but still let me tell you what is an ascending order and what is a descending order. An ascending order means arrangement from the smallest to the greatest, and descending order means arrangement from the greatest to the smallest. Okay, these are the definitions. Okay, okay, so we have tried these questions as well. So first, arrange the following numbers in ascending order and descending order in the second part. You can please try it on your own. Okay, okay, have you thought what fun it would be if the digits in number could shift, move from one place to the other? Think about what happened to 182. It could become as large as 821 and as small as 128. Try this with 391 as well. Okay, now let's try with 391. Okay, we have 391. Let's switch 1 and 9. So it will be 319. Now let's switch 1 and 3. So it will be 139. Okay, you can see. And now let's switch 9 and 1. So it will be 931. Okay, okay, so we can shift numbers we can shift or we can like एक्सचेंज. ओके, हम एक्सचेंज भी कर सकते हैं नंबर और या शिफ्ट कर सकते हैं, आप जो भी कहना चाहें. ओके, सो 391 can be 319, 139 or 930. Okay, let's erase it now. Okay, so introducing 10,000. Okay, so let's talk about this. We know that beyond 99 there is no two digit number. So after 99 we have 100. So 9 add 1 is 10, 99 add 1 is 100, 999 add 1 is 1000. Okay, 100 can be written as 10 times 10 and 1000 can be written as 10 times 100. Okay, we observe that greatest single digit number is plus 1 equal to smallest two digit number. This is very interesting. Okay, okay. Greatest single digit number is 9, add 1 equals smallest two digit number which is 10. Okay, if we add 1 in greatest single digit number, we get the smallest two digit number. If we add 1 in the greatest two digit number, we get smallest three digit number. If we add 1 in greatest three digit number, that is 999, we get smallest four digit number, that is 10,000. Okay, we should then expect that on adding 1 to the greatest four digit number, we would get the smallest five digit number, that is 9999 add 1 is, okay, you guessed it right, it is 10,000. Okay, so नया नंबर जो है आफ्टर 9999 इज वो है 10,000. ओके, तो हमें 10,000 कैसे मिला, जब हमने 9999 में 1 को ऐड किया तो हमें मिला 10,000. ओके, बिकॉज वी कैन नॉट मूव on after that, we have to go in 10,000 then. Okay, okay, revisiting place value. Okay, the next one is, you have done this quite earlier and you will certainly remember the expansion of a two digit number like 78 as 78 equals 70 add 8 or 70 times 10 plus 8. Similarly, you will remember the expression of a three digit number 270. We can do it by, we can just multiply the number with their respective place values. Okay, so 278, 2 is at the 100th place value, we can write it as 2 times 100. 7 is the 10th place value, we can write 7 times 10. And 8 is in the 1st place value, we can write it 8 times 1. So let me just show you on a whiteboard. 278, we have 200, 2 times 100 at 7 10, 7 times 10 at 8 ones, 8 times 1. So we can write it like this. Okay, 278. That's how we got 278. Okay, okay, okay. So हमें अब एक्सप्लेन करना है 20,000. 20,000 can be explained as 20 times 1,000. Okay, 2 times 10,000 or 20 times 1,000, or 26,000 can be expended as 2 times 10,000 at 6 times 1,000. Okay, 26,000, 38,400. So this is all things that you have to understand how to expand. Now let's see. Okay. Suppose someone is asking us to expand. Let me just highlight, like, remove this. The number is 27,854. Okay. So 27,000 means this is the thousand place value. This is 10,000. So 2 times 10,000, add 7 times 1,000, add 8 times 100, add 5 times 10, add 4 times 1. Okay, so let me just write it a little bit more carefully. So हमने एक्सपेंड कर दिया इसको, दैट इज 20,000 and 7,850 and 4. So we can call it 27,000, not 20,000 and 7,000. Okay, we have to add and say it collectively. We have to say the things which are multiplied collectively. Okay, that is 27,854. Okay, now let's read it further in the book. Okay, okay, or you have to do this on your own. Okay, 89,324. Okay, introduction to 1 lakh. Okay, so we have this 1 lakh, or in UK and US we say it as 100,000. Okay, so adding 1 to the greatest 5 digit number. So because 1 lakh is a lakh is a 6 digit number. Whenever you have a number, जब भी आपके पास कोई नंबर है जो लाखों में है, 2 लाख कुछ हजार कुछ कुछ, या फिर 3 लाख कुछ हजार, तो वो हमेशा उसमें 6 डिजिट होगी। तो और स्मॉलेस्ट 6 डिजिट नंबर कौन सा होगा? जब हम लार्जेस्ट 5 डिजिट नंबर में 1 को ऐड करेंगे तो हम पाएंगे स्मॉलेस्ट 6 डिजिट नंबर। सो व्हेन वी ऐड 1 in 99,999, we get 1 lakh. Okay, or we get 100,000. Okay, so 99,999 add 1 is 1 lakh. Okay, so आपको ये देखना है, वही सेम चीज़ है इसमें भी। जो नंबर लैख के प्लेस वैल्यू पे है उसको लैख से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। जो नंबर 10,000 प्लेस वैल्यू पे है उसको 10,000 से, जो नंबर 1,000 प्लेस वैल्यू पे है उसको 1,000 से, जो नंबर 100 प्लेस वैल्यू पे है उसको 100 से, और जो नंबर 10 प्लेस वैल्यू पे है उसको 10 से, और जो नंबर 1 प्लेस वैल्यू पे है उसको 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। ओके, okay, so 1.2.6 is larger numbers. Okay, larger number. If we add one more to the greatest 6 digit number, we get the smallest 7 digit number. So what is a 7 digit number? Let's talk about a 7 digit number. Okay, what is a 7 digit number? Let's write a number with 7 digits. Okay, 8, 5, 4, 1, 0, 2, 1. Okay, let's just remove it. Okay, Okay. Okay. So it is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay. So now we have 85 lakh. Okay. 41,000 and 21. So now we have number in lakhs. So 7 digit number means we are going to have numbers in tens of lakhs. Okay, 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, these are 6 digit numbers. When we move beyond 9 lakh and 99,999, we get 10 lakh, and 10 lakh is a 7 digit number. Okay, 10 lakh, 11 lakh, 12 lakh, all these lakhs are 7 digit number. Okay, so 12 lakh, 11 lakh, 77 lakh और anything like that. Okay, ये सारे नंबर जो है ये 7 डिजिट नंबर्स हैं, और 7 डिजिट नंबर्स क्या होते हैं, जिनके जिस नंबर्स में टोटल 7 डिजिट्स होते हैं. ओके. ओके. सो 7 digit numbers, numbers which are, let me erase it. So ये होते हैं numbers which are more than 99 lakh 99,999 and smaller than, okay, जो अ, जो 9,99,999 से बड़े होते हैं, और 1 करोड़ से कम. और 1 करोड़ क्या होता है, जब हम 99,09,999 में 99 लाख 90,999, इसमें हम जब एक को ऐड करेंगे ओके, तो हम पाएंगे 1 करोड़. लेट मी जस्ट शो यू हाउ. Okay, so if we add 1 in 99,99,999, sorry, we get 1 crore 0 lakh 0,000 and 0. We get 1 crore. This is 1 crore. Okay, now we have got 1 crore. So 1 crore means 100 lakhs. Okay, so 100 लाख को कहते हैं 1 करोड़. 1 crore equals 100 lakhs. ओके, सो अब हम करोड़ों की बात कर रहे हैं, तो क्या आप में से कोई भी, या मुझे तो लगता है ज़्यादातर लोगों को पता होगा कि हमारे देश की आबादी कितनी है. ओके, हमारा जो देश है ऑलमोस्ट अब दुनिया का सबसे ज़्यादा आबादी वाला देश हो ही चुका है, आई थिंक. अगर हम काउंट करेंगे आज, तो जब तक काउंटिंग ख़त्म होगी वो ईज़िली वर्ल्ड्स लार्जेस्ट कंट्री इन टर्म्स ऑफ पॉपुलेशन बन चुका होगा. तो हमारे देश की आबादी आज के टाइम कितनी है, जो कि एक जनरल अप्रॉक्सीमेट है, क्या आप लोग बता सकते हैं? ओके, वीडियो को पॉज करके कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखें, और उसके बाद मैं आपको बताऊंगा. तो हमारे देश की जो आबादी है वो है लगभग 140 करोड़। ओके, और लगभग मैंने क्यों कहा, मैंने ये क्यों नहीं कहा डायरेक्टली के, हाँ पूरी पूरी क्योंकि आपको ये देखना पड़ेगा कि रोज़ाना कई लोग, कई बच्चे पैदा भी होते हैं, इस दुनिया में आते हैं, ठीक है, कई लोग, और रोज़ाना, जो कि हमें पता है एक बहुत बड़ी सच्चाई है, कि इस दुनिया से जाते भी हैं लोग हैं। तो दुनिया में आना, दुनिया में जाना, ये लगा रहता है, ठीक है। तो उस चक्कर में जो आबादी है वो एक जगह नहीं टिकी रहती है, कि आज अगर मान लिए दुनिया में 10 लोग हैं तो कल भी 10 ही होंगे या परसों भी 10 होंगे, ऐसा नहीं है। जो आबादी है वो हमेशा घटती बढ़ती रहती है। इसलिए हम कहते हैं कि लगभग हमारे देश की आबादी है 140 करोड़। लेकिन एक अच्छी बात है कि हमारी आबादी बढ़ ही रही है। और अभी अच्छी बात है, बुरी बात है, ये तो वो लोग जाने जो लोग मतलब, खैर जो भी है। Okay, so we have to understand that the population of our nation is close to 140 crores. Okay, now we have understood this one. Now let's see what we have discussed in today's session. Okay, let me just open that. Okay, so larger numbers, so these are the things. Okay, so we started this topic from here. Okay, first we discussed how many numbers can we make using some digits, so we can make many more many numbers. If the repetitions are allowed, we can make few lesser numbers if the repetition is not allowed. Okay, so then the next one was use the given digits. ओके, फिर हमने नंबर बनाए, किस तरीके से हम नंबर, डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ नंबर्स क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, ठीक है ना। तो उसके बाद क्या हुआ, मेक द ग्रेटेस्ट एंड द स्मॉलेस्ट 4 डिजिट नंबर्स यूजिंग एनी फोर। ओके, उसके बाद हमने एक नंबर को जो है फ्रीज कर दिया एक जगह पे, और उसके अराउंड बाकी नंबर बनाए। जैसे कि इस 4 को हमने टेंस प्लेस वैल्यू पे फ्रीज कर दिया था। इसके अराउंड हमने देखे क्या नंबर बना सकते हैं जब रिपीटिशन अलाउड ना हो, क्योंकि अगर रिपीटिशन अलाउड है तो बस लोग 999 लिख ही दे सकते हैं, तो वो तो बड़ा इजी हो जाएगा फिर। ओके ओके ओके, सो देन वी डिस्कस दिस क्वेश्चन, यू हैव टू डू इट ऑन योर ओन। ओके, क्या अब अगर आप चाहें तो मुझे इसका आंसर बता सकते हैं। चलो इसको डिस्कस करते हैं। द स्मॉलेस्ट वन इज डॉली, आई थिंक, बिकॉज दिस इज 154 smallest one. So for the smallest one we are going to write, uh, let me erase this first. So she's the smallest one, so we'll give 4 for her. And the next one is Mohan is third, next one is second, and this one is first. So Ramhari is the tallest one, and Shashi after that Mohan, and in the last is Dolly. Okay, this one also we can discuss. The last least one is this one, then this, then this, this, and then this. Okay, so let me just write the numbers for them. Fifth, fourth, third, second, and one. Okay. Okay, so I think आज के लिए बस इतना ही था। तो I hope that you liked the today's session, and you will. Okay, so let's meet in the next session. Till then, bye bye. Have a nice day. Bye bye.